What's up, guys? We're getting right into it. We're gonna do the Bank 1 Sensor 1 O2 sensor on a 2008 Nissan Armada. Okay, so this sensor, I think the code was like a P2A00 something. I'll get that in a second, but as you guys can see, that's the connection back there. Y'all see that? That connection right there, and it goes all the way down to there. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pop it off of there and then get under the car and loosen up the O2 sensor. Shouldn't be that hard, guys. This is should be an easy one, so let's do that now. All right, success. Took it off. Okay, now we're gonna go down there and take off the actual sensor with a it's hard to see in here, guys. There's a bunch of mess. Take it off with I think a 7/8 or something. Oh, let me see. Yeah, guys, so this is a 7/8 right here. So this fits on it pretty good. You guys can see this. This will work. Okay, you can also use one of these tools here, but the position that it's in, I think I can get it with that wrench. Okay, so let's give it a shot. All right, so this truck is so tall, I'm under it without even lifting the truck up. So unless you're like 700 pounds, you can get down here without even lifting the truck up. I see the sensor right there. It's a tough angle. I might have to use that other piece that I showed you guys because the angle is not as good as I thought. I'm gonna try to loosen it up with that wrench, but if not, I'll use the other, like, you know, O2 sensor removal tool and take it out. So I'm gonna do it and I'll let you guys know what the best option is. All right, guys, so hopefully you guys can see me down here. Here's what I did. All right, I broke it loose with this. Okay, I had enough of an angle to just break that thing loose. Okay, so this helped break it loose because it was kind of tight. And now, to be efficient and take it out, I'm gonna use, wow, it's kind of tight down here. I'm gonna use my other tool that I showed you with this little ratchet, because there's not a lot of room down here, so you need, you know, minimal stuff. But you can't break it loose with this. So break it loose with that, and then take it all the way out with your handy dandy O2 plug removal tool. This is a little bit big, I think. I'm gonna have to buy a set that fits really good on these things, because I don't know, mine's is a little bit big for it. So let me take it out and show you guys what it looks like. So here's what it looks like. It doesn't look bad, but you never know with these things. Usually, like, so when they're really bad, like this is like exploded, like it's just completely messed up in here. But the computer said it was this one, so we're gonna change it and see if the code comes back. But that's the old. Here's the new one. A lot cleaner, of course, you know. Make sure you have that little, whatever this little anti-seize stuff is, really important. Let's put it in and turn this thing on and see what happens. Okay, so put the new one in. When you go to tighten this thing, you can actually get this wrench in through here, okay? Feed it in so you can get that extra bit of torque on it, okay? Feed it in through it and you can tighten it really good, okay? So that's a little trick to get it tight. Fits right through here. And then if you have to, of course, just tighten it extra with this side. All right, I'm gonna plug it up, turn the code off, turn the car on, and see what happens. All right, here we go. First start up, put the new sensor on. I turned the codes off already. Yeah, she cut right on. Let's see what happens. He's gonna have to drive it and see if it comes back, but these Nissans and these O2 codes and O2 sensors are kind of iffy sometimes. Hopefully this does it, you know? But I have to drive it and stuff, so I'll update you guys when this is in like a week or so, see what happens. Hope this helps, man. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Come on. Keep it coming, keep it coming. If you watching and you're not subscribed, something is a matter, and I'm gonna catch an attitude. But nah, man, appreciate you guys for watching, man. Later.